from this image to this image using ChatGPT. That is what you're going to learn by the end of this video. See here, this is the image what I have taken, the original image, and this is the edited image. Just with the prompts, I did this using ChatGPT. Okay, let us get into the tutorial. Hello, good morning to everyone. Today in this video, I'll be telling how you can use this ChatGPT for photo editing. So first of all, we need to insert the image. Click on this plus symbol. The same thing you can do it on mobile also. The procedure is very similar. Just upload the image and give the prompts. Here on the laptop, click on this cursor. On laptop, click on this plus symbol. The same goes with mobile too. Add files and photos. So I'll be going to the downloads or wherever your photo is available. So I'll be choosing one photo. This is the photo you want to edit, right? Whatever the photo you want, you can just, and see here, this is the picture of a couple on the beach, right? So what I'll do is add a red car with headlights turned on and place the car on beach shore. So let us check this prompt. So this won't change something into cartoonic or something like. Maybe it will just add a car here on the shore itself. I specifically said something like a red car with headlights turned on. So it is up to you, according to you, how you wish. You can ask ChatGPT by giving simple prompts to complex prompts. See here, this is the image, the original image, right? And this is the edited image. So here I can say something like, the natural feel has not gone, the picture remained the same, instead this was the result. So you can try, you can download this image and use it. So here, okay, from this image to somewhat changes whatever your requirement is, you can just add photo editing skills. Say for example, add moonlight effect to the scene and place a candlelight dinner table, I'll say, and let us check how it will transform this image from this to even more further creativity. Likewise, this just depends on the prompts what you give to the ChatGPT. So you can add the items, you can remove the items. Say for example, you may ask like, keep only the subject active and blur all the what is this background, so that it will keep or highlight the subject and blur all the background items. So according to your requirement, see here, my requirement is from this image I want to just add natural objects which the photo should look natural. So one more prompt I have given something like, add moonlight effect to the scene and place a candlelight dinner table. Let us check. With this result, I'll be stopping this video and check in the description. See how good it is. This is the original image and I made it to this. The entire scene has changed here, and this is looking very natural. And thanks to ChatGPT, I personally surprised with the result. This is the actual image what I have taken, and this is the edited image with the ChatGPT. And please do comment your response. How do you feel about this video? Whether you liked it, is it helpful to you? If you feel this is helpful, just comment helpful. Once again I am repeating, comment helpful if you feel this video is helpful to you. And you can download this here by clicking on this. So this gets downloaded to your computer. The same thing you can do it on your mobile also.